Namaste and welcome to the Integration Space. I'm Mariam McKinney, and today I want to share a story that changed everything for me. A moment where quantum physics and consciousness collided on a surfboard at dawn. For years, I lived in two worlds. By day, I was a software engineer developing AI systems for airlines, breaking down complex problems into manageable pieces. By night, I was teaching yoga and studying traditional Chinese medicine, searching for something I couldn't quite name. But it was on a morning in Tofino, British Columbia, where these worlds finally merged. Picture this: pre-dawn darkness, the air crisp with salt spray, and me, sitting on my surfboard waiting for the first light. As an engineer, I'd spent years working with quantum physics principles, superposition, entanglement, the observer effect. These weren't just theoretical concepts to me. They were mathematical realities that shaped our understanding of the universe. But what happened next transformed these principles from equations on a page to lived experience. As the sun began to rise, something shifted. The boundary between where I ended and the ocean began dissolve. It wasn't just a poetic feeling. It was a direct experience of what quantum physics has been telling us all along, that separation is an illusion. The observer and the observed are fundamentally connected. In that moment, I understood why ancient yogic texts describe consciousness as an ocean and why quantum physicists talk about the unified field. They're describing the same reality through different lenses. This experience fundamentally changed how I approach both teaching and personal growth. It showed me that integration isn't just about balancing different aspects of life. It's about recognizing that they were never truly separate. That's what this podcast is about. Each week, we'll explore the intersection of modern science, ancient wisdom, and personal experience. We'll look at how quantum principles show up in our daily lives and how we can use this understanding for practical transformation. I remember sitting on that surfboard, watching the sun rise over the Pacific, feeling both incredibly small and infinitely connected. That paradox, that we can be both particle and wave, individual and unified, is at the heart of what I want to share with you in this space. In our next episode, we'll dive deeper into what quantum physics actually tells us about consciousness and how this understanding can transform our approach to meditation and mindfulness practices. We'll break down complex concepts into accessible insights that you can apply in your daily life. Until then, I invite you to notice the moments in your own life where the boundaries blur, where the observer and the observed dance together, because that's where the magic happens, in the integration space. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I'm Mariam McKinney, and this is the Integration Space.